so much strength. Told us, I even called her and she moved her hand. So we left very hopeful. It's very unfortunate that just after the first engagement that we were having, we were driving back from Liverpool to London, and then we got the terrible news that she had passed on. That's why we immediately made plans to come back. Although we have been humiliated, even in our demise, we are glad that we are here. We thank God. Ladies and gentlemen, it is hard. Please pray for us. Because personally, honestly, I don't know. But I trust God, and I know He creates a way where there's no way. Maybe God will show us what next to do, because we don't know now. We don't know. There's this Bunyankole song that I like very much. Every time I'm confused, I like to sing that song. It brings back faith. It goes like this. Ruhangu ishitwe, ruhangu mana, ruhangu moyo, ori kwera. Ishitwe, ruhangu mana, ruhangu moyo, ori kwera. Shawa. Mama Joy, Ruhanga Kwembembere. Rest in peace. Thank you.